The devil made me eat it.
That's actually true. The greatest weapon of mass destruction in world history is Satan's favorite secret weapon. And do you know what it is? It's food. As a matter of fact, the very first temptation in the history of the world was a food temptation. Do you know what it was? You're correct. It happened in the Garden of Eden. God gave man everything they needed to be healthy and happy, and yet Satan managed to tempt man with the one forbidden fruit. When Adam and Eve took their focus off of all the goodness and abundance that God had given them, and they started to focus on the one thing that they couldn't have, they lost everything. That just goes to show you that chocolate really is better for you. Just kidding. The very first temptation of Christ was a food temptation. Jesus was in the desert fasting for 40 days and 40 nights, and obviously was hungry after that. And then the devil, Lucifer, good old Lou, came to Jesus and he said to him, "Hey Jesus, if you're truly the Son of God, then command these stones to become loaves of bread." That's why it says in 1 Corinthians 10:31, "So whether you eat or drink, or whatever you do, do all to the glory of God." Satan uses food to kill more people than any other weapon, and most people dig their own graves with a knife and a fork. So you need to protect your health, or you're gonna lose it. But how do you go about protecting your health and the health of your family? Yes, there is a chemist in your kitchen, and you cannot trust him. The evil food companies are not serving you real food, but addictive and deadly chemistry. They are adding to our food sugars and salts and colors and antibiotics and stuff that you and I can't even pronounce. These evil food companies have figured out the exact recipe that will make their foods so addicting to your brain that you can't get away from them anymore. And then Satan has you in his ugly grip. The very first step to get away from that stuff and start stepping toward health is awareness. Being aware that your fight is not physical, but it is a spiritual fight. The devil is trying to destroy your mind and your body, and he's sneaking in the back door with tasty but deadly foods. But awareness will become your foundation on which you can build your plant-based vegan journey, and a foundation on which you can stand and take control of your health. And if you need a tour guide on your vegan journey, I would love to help you out. Go to my website and sign up for a one-to-one chat with me, and let's talk. It's free. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Please like and subscribe if you're feeling the vibe. And please share my videos with all your friends. It's important. And don't forget to make that appointment with me. It's free. See you soon.